Morning student. Now we have to solve exercise 3.6 question number 2. The question is Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Find her speed of rowing in still water and speed of the current. As this is a question for boat and down and stream, so now we have to suppose some x and y. Now question number 2. So according to the question, we suppose speed of the boat in still water is x and speed of the stream in current stream is y. Stream goes downward or upward, the current will be y. Now if Ritu is rowing in downstream, then boat will goes in the same direction and stream will goes in the same direction. The speed get increased or speed gets added. So now equation will be, as we know that the speed equal to distance upon time, so total speed in downstream is x plus y. So total speed in the downstream is x plus y, and our equation and distance is 4 km and time is 2 hours. Sorry, the distance is 20 km and time is 2 hours. So now equation will be speed x plus y equal to distance 20 km upon time 2 hours. So x plus y equal to 10. This is our first equation. Now this is our first equation, and now Ritu is rowing in upstream. So if Ritu is rowing in upstream, then boat is going this side and stream is going this side. So there will be opposite force. So there is x minus y. Speed equal to x minus y. Now according to the question, Ritu is rowing in upstream in distance 4 km and time taking 2 hours. So now speed equal to distance upon time, so x minus y equal to 4 upon 2. Now 2 cutted by 2, so 2x minus y equal to 2. This is our second equation. Now we have to solve first and second by elimination method. For elimination method, you can go in the link in the description. Now we have to add these two equations. Now if we add x, first equation and second equation, then the plus y and minus y got cancelled out, and x plus x equal to 2x and 10 plus 2 equal to 12. So now 2x equal to 12 and x equal to 6. So this is the current water speed. So Ritu, the speed of the Ritu's boat or in the current stream or without current or still water is 6 km per hour. This is the speed. Now if we calculate the speed of downstream or upstream, so this is the y. So we put value of x in the equation, in this equation, x plus y equal to 10. This is our first equation. So x is the 6 plus y equal to 10, and y equal to 4 km per hour. So this is the speed of upstream or the downstream. Thank you.